Adobe FrameMaker can now easily connect with Adobe Experience Manager. Get connected through a single sign-on using Okta authentication. Navigate to CMS in the File drop-down menu and click on Connection Manager. In the Connection Manager, you are able to choose a connection from the drop-down menu. For this explanation, we will be sticking with Adobe Experience Manager. In the connection details, you are able to connect to the AEM repository by inputting the name, server, and your login details. The single sign-on setting can be turned on to gain access to the server with a single ID. Once all of the necessary information has been filled in, press Connect to gain access to the Adobe Experience Manager repository. Press the plus buttons beside the contents in the Repository Manager to access the files you need. You are also able to search the repository and set up file check-in and check-out preferences from within FrameMaker. Also, advanced controls can be used for multi-file check-in, check-out, and to cancel checkout. Performance enhancements have been made to significantly speed up file browsing. This includes reduced check-in and check-out times. For example, the time to check out files, even for complex and lengthy data maps, has been reduced to seconds. If you have questions or would like a personalized demo, please write to us at techcom@adobe.com.